Hey y'all, so I am in Miami and I wanted to come to a juice bar to check it out, see what it's like. And I picked a juice bar before I left Austin, and the one I chose is Miami Squeeze. So I'm here. I'm about to get out of the car and go inside and maybe get some food, and I will take some pictures. And yeah, so here we go. So this is the front of the establishment. Here's the menu. You see everything they have. So I think I want this one. Let me see. Garlic, parsley, carrot, celery. Garlic? Fat burner, pineapple, celery, mint, and grapefruit. Carrots, parsley, celery, ginger, apples, and garlic. I'm just not gonna be able to do the garlic. It's just not gonna, it's not gonna be a thing, all right? I think I'm getting the vitamin C. Maybe I'll get another one to go.
Green garlic.
I wonder how much garlic they put.
Oh, not much.
I might get the Kelly Green to go, and then the vitamin C to have right now. All right, so the lady just brought me my juice. It's really good. It is really good. Vitamin C, Miami Squeeze, Miami, Florida, www.miamisqueeze.com, 305-935-9544. Come check it out. I'm gonna save some to eat with my food. I made a good choice. Okay, so this is the liquid salad I'm gonna try. Didn't want this for myself, but let's see. Hell no. So healthy, so healthy. This is my meal here I got at Miami Squeeze. Oh shit, has onions on it. Probably okay. I got a pesto chicken panini, salad, my juice. Time to eat. Cheers and happy juicing.